Hello everyone, and welcome back to another video of a test. Just gotta test the audio. Since I'm still playing around with it. Hoping you guys actually... Oh, everyone's dead. I forgot. I did a recording after this, so... You know, I guess this is a behind the scenes moment right here. Just testing a mic. I'm not gonna level up. I'll do that on the actual gameplay. Let's try and get this guy. Oh. Beautiful. And goodbye, sir. Not so beautiful for you, my sir. Man, I'm gonna grind some souls out of this. Okay. Goodbye, sir. What? Okay, I see how it goes. I see. Ooh, yes, buddy. Gonna do double. Oh. Nice. But yeah, I just want to test the audio. Let's try to do a running. Am I doing it right? Why is it not doing it? Okay. I see. I see how it goes. I see. I need to talk to that. Your merchants test on the audio too. Oh my god. Nope, you're not. Oh, I'm stuck. I was stuck for a moment actually. Okay. Okay, I see how it goes. Oh my god. These guys are the worst. Okay. Well, it's actually quite horrible for me. Let's talk to this merchant, see how the audio.
Go ahead, don't be a nitwit. Never hurts to splurge when your days are numbered.
This guy called me a nitwit. Oh yeah, he has dry fingers. I think that's the... Should be only used with the greatest of caution. Bottomless box.
What a waste of Go and fall off a cliff.
What you say? Bro, I'm gonna backstab you right here. You better not do anything funny. You hear me? I'm not spilling in your face. Better not do anything. Yeah, that's right. That's right, bitch. How dare you talk back to me? Hey, I got 2 humanity out of that. That's great. Great grinding. Alright, I'm ending this here. Hopefully the audio will be slightly better than the previous one. I had to amp that up a ton loads for editing, so that video will come up hopefully. But I'll see you guys later. Drake man out. Sound quality. See how it goes. As you can see, I put the mold to 7. So let's see how my voice can pick up for that audio. This guy really is a dingus for you. Okay, bye, sir. Ooh, a 2-hitter. Nice. Goodbye, sir. It's nice knowing you. Not. Okay, I see. Oh shit, I'm gonna die. I don't want to die. Shit. That's me, bitch. Fuck you. You go fuck yourself, bitch. You want to kill me. Yeah, I'm a pro at Dark Souls. Let's be honest. Should have done a lunging attack. I'll try to do it to these guys. Ah, I got hit. Should have at the same moment. So, oh shit. Oh, I killed him. Got him. Got a red at him. I mean, honestly, who? Come on. Come on, game developers, make speed laddering. I mean, you see Dark Souls 2 done that. Let's try to face him again. Hey, what's up, sucker? Oh, miss me with that, bitch. You get your booty smacked. Ooh, face for you. Oh, shit. It's nice knowing you guys. See if they follow me. Oh, they would. Look at that. What the fuck? How they got me? Oh shit. Well, I died. No stupidest way. Still get it back, right? Okay, that death doesn't count. That death is the most stupidest death I ever had. Oh my god. Oh shit. Sit down, bitch. Yeah, it should be good. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today we're gonna play some Dark Souls, yada yada. Alright, goodbye.